Welcome back everybody. So let us solve today this problem, valid palindrome. So let us first read the problem. A phrase is a palindrome if after converting all uppercase letters into lowercase letters and removing all non-alphanumeric characters, it reads the same forward and backward. So what are alphanumeric characters? Let us read this. Alphanumeric characters. What does it mean? It means these things: A, B, A, capital B, and all those alphabets. And also this contains 0, 1, 2, up to 9. The entire set of these things is known as alphanumeric. Alphabets and numerics. Okay, numbers. These all things contain alphanumeric. So with when the string is given to us, suppose A, 1, 2, A. This is a valid string which is given to us, and we have to operate on this string. Okay, suppose it is given to us A11A. This is the string. So this will be called a palindrome. I hope you know what is a palindrome. So a palindrome is a text or a number which reads the same from the beginning and also from the ending. So I have a string that is ABBA. So from the beginning ABBA, from the ending ABBA. So this is a palindrome. I have a number 0110 from the beginning 0110 and from the ending 0110. So this is also a palindrome. I have a thing called ABEF. ABEF, FEB. So this is not a palindrome. So this is not similar from the front and from the back. So from the beginning and the ending, it is not similar. So this is not a palindrome. Now let's try to solve this problem. So I take a second to guess how we will solve this problem and then come back. Okay. So this is very intuitive. We will use something called a two-pointer approach to solve this problem. Okay. Now let's go through an example. This example we will solve. Suppose ABE 2 2 EBA. This is the example which we are trying to solve. This is the string which they have given to us. Let's try to solve this. Also, if there is any semicolon or comma, we will ignore this. We will only utilize alphanumerics. We will only utilize alphanumerics, nothing else. No special characters, only alphabets and numbers. So is this a valid palindrome? Let's see. ABE22 EBA. ABE22 EBA. So yes, this is a palindrome. Suppose there is capital A on both the sides. So how we will solve this? So let's see. Step 1. Check whether is character. Whether the given character is a character or not. Okay. Means is character, what I'm trying to say is that within character you have something called a character class, and within that you can categorize something as letter or you can categorize something as digit. Okay. When we will code, we will see this. So is letter. First, you have to categorize that whether the character which I picked is a letter or not. Step 2, check whether is digit. Check whether is digit or not. In both the cases, if these two cases pass, then we will add in the string. Okay, so in this case, if this passes, you will convert it. Within this step, the sub step is convert to lowercase. Convert to lowercase. In the step 2, check whether digit is digit or not. After this, you will have a string, a new string, string str, and you will check this string whether it is a palindrome or not. And how will you check a palindrome? So ABE22A. So after conversion, my string was ABE22EBA. After conversion, my string will be, that my string str will be ABE22EBA. This will be my string. And how will you check whether it is a palindrome or not? We will take a left pointer and we will take a right pointer. We will take a left pointer and we will take a right pointer. And we will see whether this and this are similar. Yes, they are similar. So I will increase the left pointer by plus plus and right pointer I will decrement it. So here and here, are they similar? Yes, here and here. Are they similar? Yes. And then here and are they similar? Acha, while left is less than right, we will calculate it. If at any point of time they are not similar, I will return false, and at the end I will return true. This is how we will code the entire thing. So let's see how we can code it in Java. Okay, just now. Correct. So first I will take a string builder. You know what is a string builder in Java? String builder is b equals to. Let me explain to you what a string builder is. Let me explain to you what a string builder is in a very short. Let me try to explain it what a string builder. So whenever you are having a string, strings in Java are something called immutable, right? So if you have a string str equals to code, then you cannot change this thing. Okay. So you already familiar with something called stack memory and something called heap memory. So you have this code, and if you are trying to change this, okay, this is the stack memory. Let me just draw it in a bigger sense. So this is str, and this is suppose code. This is the value. So string str, I am writing string str equals to code. This is what I'm trying to write. This is a reference variable which is pointing to the heap memory. This is the stack memory, and this is the heap memory, and this is pointing to code, the string. If I try to change str, so suppose I write str equals to now code1, like this. So in Java, string is immutable, so it will not change this. It will create a new string that is code1, and then it will dereference it and then reference it to this thing. This remains stagnant in the memory. It remains in the memory and it takes up space. If we use a string builder, what happens is, this is code. String builder is mutable. That means string builder is mutable. That means we can change string builder in itself. So SB is pointing to this, and if I change SB dot append, I do like this, and the character 1 I am appending to it. So it will just change it here itself. It will not dereference it and then it reference it to a newly created string. It will just change the original string. So you can see how we saved space. So in a normal Java application, in real world enterprise level Java application, there can be many types of string changes and here and there. So in that case, every time a string change happens, we are taking up space and it is redundant in the memory. But while we use string builder, it is not redundant in the memory, and it is not also using greater amount of space. It is saving us space and is saving the complexities. It is more efficient. Okay. So this is why we are using string builder instead of string, because we will be appending a lot. The string builder is b. Okay. Now I will iterate this string for int. Sorry. I equal to 0, y less than h dot length. Okay. Char ch equals to it is dot char at I. Now I will check whether it is a letter or not. If character dot is letter ch, then what will I do is I will just append it. First I will convert it into lowercase. Remember, we will convert it into lowercase and then we will append it. So character dot to lowercase and ch sb dot append c. Okay. Also, else if character dot is digit ch, in that case sb dot append ch. Okay, done. After this, what we will do is we will convert the string builder into a string. Now we will convert it into a string for our easy operations. sb.toString. We are converting the string builder to a string now. Now return is Palin. I am creating a new function is Palin, and I will return it. So boolean is Palin and string str. Here we will we are actually checking whether the string is a palindrome or not. So int left equals to 0, int right equals to str dot length minus 1, while left less than right, if str dot char at left not equals to str dot char at right, in that case return false. At any moment of time, if they are not equal, I will just return it. Left plus plus, right minus minus. And after this, if everything is correct, left crosses right, then I will return true. Okay. So this is our function and this is our entire code. So let's try to run this. Okay. It is accepting. Let's try to submit it. Okay. So our code is successful. Thank you.